The TG USB Rechargeable Plasma Lighter. This electric lighter makes sure that it can always start a fire when is needed for cooking, keeping clean, and keeping the body's temperature steady. It is resistant to water and moisture, has built-in protection against short circuits, and has a tough rubber casing. This lighter is one of the safest and most dependable methods of starting fires that can be found. Because it is almost completely flameless, an electric arc lighter may produce a flame, even while it is raining outside. The outside is made of sturdy rubber, which gives it a higher level of durability. Because of its compact size, you may carry it in your pocket, a purse, a backpack, and many other places. Because it takes 2 hours to completely charge by USB, you will either need to fully charge it before you go, or you will need to bring a portable battery pack, along with any other supplementary supplies. This is the TG USB Rechargeable Plasma Lighter. Thanks for watching. #Technifly